To the wider question about generally what should be done, that I will be prepared to give my thoughts about it, I think, in the course of this deliberation. Thank you, Chair.
All right, let's speak to our senior political reporter, Patrick Amimo, who attended that session in Parliament this morning. Patrick, good afternoon. So, Wycliffe Oparanya failed to appear before that particular committee, and the committee now contemplates action. But what went down? We know that the DPP also appeared before that particular committee. What some of the discourse that went down at the committee?
Thank you, Akisa. This particular matter, the Senate, since the governor came into office in 2013, the Senate has been trying to summon him to appear before it, but he has refused. All these 4 years along, he's not been able to appear before the committee. Now, the Senate is worried that its term is coming to an end, yet the governor has never even shown that interest. Last year, we saw him send at least a member of the county finance executive and the county attorney to represent him before the committee, a matter that the senators were not very happy with because they wanted him to appear in person. But Oparanya argues that this matter, the Senate does not have an authority to oversight him, and that the county assembly is seized of the matter and is looking at the accounts and any reports or any misgivings the Auditor General might have about how money was spent at Kakamega County. But then we saw in the governor also in 2013, he had to rush to the High Court and blocked the Senate from further summoning him. So it's a tricky situation in that the High Court is here to deliver a ruling. The ruling to that effect it will be coming on the 21st of next month, that's when the High Court will rule whether Oparanya can appear before the Senate or not. But then members are worried that we are heading towards the general election, and there are integrity matters touching on the governor. That's why they invited other institutions that are vested with investigative powers and also probing integrity, like the ethics and the Control of Budgets Office. We had the Auditor General's Office. We also had the Director of Public Prosecutions invited, and IEBC was also present because members want to see whether now they can propose or petition to IEBC and ask it not to clear Oparanya because of failing to account for the use of public funds as a public officer. So it's something that they are looking at it, and today we saw the Director of Public Prosecution suggest that it's good that when the Senate sits again tomorrow, they will invite the Attorney General to give the way forward because he is the Chief Legal Government Advisor, and he also chairs the Chapter 6 committee that deals with integrity matters. So it's the Attorney General will be mandated. We expect him tomorrow to come and give the right direction what action should be taken against Governor Wycliffe Oparanya. The other issue that they are looking at is also, like in the National Assembly, the Public Accounts Committee of the National Assembly did come up with a proposal that the former Cabinet Secretary for Devolution, Anne Waiguru, should not hold public office. And it's also the matter that the Senate is looking into, whether they'll have to petition IEBC and tell them that a person like Waiguru, together with Oparanya, should not be allowed to contest in the August election. So it's something that they are still looking at it and see how it will go. But the Director of Public Prosecution has said that Parliament can also pass laws to ensure that in as much as these particular parliamentary committees enjoy quasi-judicial powers, they should also put laws in place to ensure that apart from summoning, they also have the power to enforce arrest warrant, to issue warrant of arrest, so that those people or public servants defying summons can be arrested from the court, from the powers of Parliament, are not depending on the court. So those are some of the proposals the DPP was giving the Parliament to ensure that they have laws in place that will ensure compliance for those officers